We're at Duke right now.
Say hi, Emily. Hey.
Awkward.
We're trying to figure out where to go. Yeah. That's awkward.
So where?
This is awkward.
I gotta pee. Stop.
Really?
Oh, securely stored by the cats. Da-da-da-da.
Change your mind?
Yeah.
It's a guy.
So do you guys want to go ahead and park now and then go in and we'll get settled and then we'll go get all the money and food?
And then we'll come back with the stuff.
Yes.
I mean,
Because Alex wants food. Those are the fields over there. Oh, there.
Wow,
that
this
looks like
is
a cove.
closed. I
Emily,
can't
it's right
believe.
across the street.
There
cannot believe
is really
he would be
good
this close.
stadium fields. It's really
Cruising,
cool.
I think they walk a mile every day.
Hi there, we're here for soccer.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is like
I love how they don't even give them an umbrella.
Oh my god.
Emily, do you realize you're staying in the place right across?
I cannot believe
Well,
you're
that's
right
because the
across
business
street.
school.
Hotel's down there. I love how they don't even give the Mexican an umbrella. They don't even bother.
Why are you looking?
Yeah,
I want to hear
We're gonna have
Racist
one
Smart that
heck
does
of a
it.
week.
Because then it could go down to that street and you could come out even further.